Hello everyone, welcome to Euron. The day we were waiting for is over now and we are going to start our classes from tomorrow. So tomorrow is our very first live classes that we are going to start. And let me share my screen and show it to all of you. So there are so many live classes that we have launched, 10 live classes in total. As you can see, we have launched over here. So where we have launched a Python course, we have launched a data science course, big data course, MLOps course, generative AI course, and business analytics master's course. Again, so if I'll talk about a Python course, so Python course is available in Hindi as well as in English. And this particular class is going to start from tomorrow. So now why we are starting this Python batch in a very first place? See guys, the thing is, whether you are going ahead with a data science or ML ops or maybe a generative AI, big data or data analytics, everywhere Python is a base. Unless and until you are not aware about Python, you will not be able to pursue any of these things. Very simple. And keeping that in mind, so we are going to start this Python batches in English and in Hindi from tomorrow. And then every week, so we are going to start one of the batches, like next week full stack data science Hindi English, then big data masters Hindi English, ML ops again only in English, and yes, generative AI masters Hindi English, business analytics masters Hindi and English. Now if I'll talk about a Python course, so whatever is required, whatever, believe me, whatever is required to understand a big data or data science or generative AI, ML ops or business analytics masters, we are covering each and everything inside this Python course. So you all can go and explore the batches. Batch price is minimal. It's only 2,000 rupees. Again, not only for this batch, for every batch's price are minimal in a market for live classes. Again, if you have Euron Plus subscription, this is an amazing one, guys. So if you have Euron Plus subscription, you don't have to buy all these batches in 2,000, 2,500, which is obviously including taxes. You don't have to go and buy individual batches at all. In one single subscription, Euron Plus subscription, which is a super platform for an education that we are trying to build, a Netflix of an education that we are trying to build. So with one single subscription, you will be able to access everything, whether it's live classes or recorded one, projects one. There are so many projects that we have already uploaded in a free mode. You can go and you can explore those parts. We have already uploaded so many courses in a free mode. We have uploaded 2 courses in a paid mode so far, the day when I'm recording this particular video. But yes, so with Euron Plus, each and everything will be available and accessible to you for an entire year. So you don't have to go and pay again and again. So tomorrow is a day 1 when we are going to start our batches. Now, what is a batch timing for a Python batch? So again, just go with each and every batches and you will be able to find out a timing. So start date is 30th November, Saturday and Sunday is going to be a class. Timing is 8:45 a.m. IST to 10:15 a.m. IST when we are going to start our batches. Now if I'll talk about a Python Hindi batch, so that is going to start bit in a early morning, I would say. So 7 a.m. IST to 8:30 a.m. IST. All of these classes is going to happen on this Euron platform itself. So you can go log in into a dashboard and you will be able to find out that yes, this class is scheduled. For example, let me sign in over here. So let me sign in using my email ID. You can even sign in using your mobile number. That's completely fine. So now let's talk about Python batch. So if let's suppose tomorrow you are going to attend the Python batch. So go to the course. I already have an access of Euron Plus. So here you will be able to find out welcome to Euron video. And then this batch is going to start at this particular time that you all will be able to find out. So you can come over here, you can join the classes, you can code with me, you can try to explore each and everything with me, you can try to learn each and everything with me and with other mentors as well. So like MLOps classes has been taken care by other mentors, or generative AI classes has been taken care by other mentors. And in future, so we are going to bring so many live self-placed classes, projects, each and everything for you, including our books, guys. And with Euron Plus, everything is accessible and available to you for an entire year. So hope guys, all of you are going to like this initiative, the education OTT kind of platform or Netflix for an education that we are trying to create. Hope all of you are going to support it and all of you are going to join these classes. So just join a Python batches and then you can join any other classes like a data science, MLOps, generative AI, big data, whatever you want, just go and join it. That's completely fine with a Euron Plus subscription. And Euron Assist you all will be able to access if you have Euron Plus or Euron Org access. Very simple. Okay, fine guys. So with that, thank you so much everyone. See you again in my next video.